Hey, oh, let's straighten this up a little bit. Hey, I want to chat really quickly. Let's do 3 gift ideas in under 3 minutes. Housewarming slash moving day edition. So the first I have to bend down here is toilet tissue. This is from Members Mark. If you have a Sam's Club membership, you can get these. And by the way, the 3 gifts that I'm going to talk about should be all under 50 bucks, and I think they're practical, and I am a sucker for practical gifts. So toilet tissue and paper towels I think are amazing gifts. I think they are like akin to giving someone diapers at a baby shower. It's not like an ultra on the surface impressive gift, but it's something they'll use all of the time. Okay, so again, I got these from Sam's Club just for myself. But when I was thinking about what's a good gift idea, this came to mind. Toilet tissue, paper towels. Next up, my friend actually got this for me when I moved to a new apartment. It is a mini toolkit from a company called Blue Ridge. I did a quick search and I see this available on eBay, so I think they don't make this particular kit anymore. But it has some scissors, measuring tape, screwdriver, hammer, pliers. You know what I use these pliers for all the time? When I get like a bottle of club soda and I can't get it open, I use the pliers to twist the cap. A little tip for you. And last but not least, I did do a price check, even though this one isn't available. This mini toolkit isn't available anymore. I think you can get these for anywhere between $16 and $30. Not this particular one and not this brand, but they should be available in retail stores and of course online. This is a great gift because you move in and maybe you need to like fix something, or it doesn't happen often, luckily, but from time to time I will need to use a hammer or I will need to use a screwdriver, and I'm really happy that I have this. Last but not least, mixing bowls. Clatter, clatter. So I got these mixing bowls for myself and also as gifts. I've purchased them 3 times over the last 5 years. And I like them because, of course, you can use them for baking. But this small one I've used like to eat my overnight oats or like a teeny tiny salad. I used to go to this restaurant that had pasta salads, and they would serve the pasta salads, I think, in something like this size. So plenty of things you can do. All right, 3 gift ideas in under 3 minutes. And these bowls, by the way, retail anywhere nowadays between $25 and $30. That's it. Thanks for watching.